The setting sun casts long shadows over the ruined cityscape. Smoke rises from the remnants of bombed-out buildings. The distant sound of artillery fire punctuates the eerie silence. A lone figure, silhouetted against the dim sky, lies prone with a sniper rifle. His name is Kofi, a highly skilled sniper from Ghana. His eyes, focused and intense, scan the terrain through his rifle's scope. Kofi, younger and full of hope, stands at attention in front of his commanding officer. You have a unique gift, Kofi. Your skills are needed in Ukraine. It's a dangerous mission, but I know you're up to the task. Kofi. Yes, sir. I will serve with honor. Kofi's face is set in determination as he adjusts his position. His radio crackles to life, whispering, "Eagle Eye. This is command. Do you have eyes on the target?" Kofi spots a group of enemy soldiers moving stealthily through the rubble below. Kofi, quietly into radio. "Command, I have eyes on multiple hostiles. Permission to engage?" Whispering. "Permission granted. Take them out." Kofi breathes deeply, steadies his rifle, and focuses on his targets. One by one, he takes them down with precise shots. The Ukrainian resistance fighters, including Natasha, a fierce and determined local leader, move through the streets. They hear the shots and look up, recognizing Kofi's work. Natasha, whispering to her team, "The black sniper is with us tonight. Let's move." Kofi packs up his gear quickly. He knows the enemy will soon trace the shots back to his position. He moves silently through the building, a ghost in the darkness. Kofi meets up with Natasha and her team in an alley. They exchange nods of respect. Natasha, you saved us again. Thank you. Kofi, we fight for the same cause. Let's keep moving. The group arrives at a hidden safe house. Inside, they regroup and plan their next move. Kofi takes a moment to clean his rifle, the weight of the war visible on his face. Natasha, do you ever think about home? Kofi, every day, but until this war is over, my place is here. Natasha, we're lucky to have you, Kofi. Kofi, we're all in this together. The first light of dawn breaks over the horizon. Kofi stands at the edge of the rooftop, looking out over the city. Despite the devastation, there is a glimmer of hope in his eyes.